Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to sign out of Gmail on iPhone. The only way to sign out of the Gmail app is to remove your entire account from your iPhone or tablet. When you remove an account, it removes the account from all apps on the device. When your account is removed, you want to be signed into any Google products like Maps or YouTube. This option is good if you want to remove personal information from your device before you give it to someone else. But guys, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail app on your phone, and then in the top right at the corner of your screen, tap your profile picture, then tap Manage Account on this device. In Manage Account page, you have to tap Remove from this device. Tap Remove, wait for a minute, and it's done. But don't worry guys, removing the account from your phone or tablet won't delete your account itself. So you'll still be able to use it on a computer or other device. So that's all for me. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.